Hi, so this is going to be a tutorial on how to use Pressreader. So to begin, we have to navigate from our website homepage to Digital Library, and then we will hover over Read and Listen, and we will hover over Pressreader. Click that, and that will bring us to Pressreader. So from here, the first thing we need to do is sign in. So we'll come up here and we'll click Sign In. And over here we'll select Library or Group. Give it a moment to load. And then up here we're going to search for Perth. And that will filter out all the other libraries besides us. And I will click Library, Perth and District Union Public Library, and I will enter my library card number. So your library card number can be found on the back above the barcode, and it always begins with 9 and it's 6 digits. And your password will be your last name beginning with a capital. Sign in. Alright, the next thing that comes up is create a new user. So I will enter my email, and my chosen password. And I'd like to know about new issues, topics, and trends. Create my account. Oh, it didn't like my password. So let's try that again. Create my password. So that will bring us to our publication page. So here is where you would find your favorited magazines and newspapers, but as of yet, we don't have any. So instead, there is a list of featured and recommended magazines. So let's try searching. So if I was going to look for a specific title, I can do a search for Ottawa Citizen. Perfect. It is recommending it. So I'll click that, and that will bring me to the Ottawa Citizen's latest issue, which is today. Perfect. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click the 3 dots, which will bring up a little menu, and I will add it to my publications. So let's try reading it. So we have several different ways of viewing the newspaper. This here is the page view. As you can see, the print is a little small and a little difficult to read. So what we can do is we can click text view, and that will blow up the stories so they are easier to read. At the bottom of the page, you can see all these different little keywords, and they can help us jump to different stories in the newspaper or magazine. If I want to switch back to the page view, I'll click that button in the corner. I can also click a story and have that blow up. Let's back out of here, and let's go to, and let's go back to our home page. So that would be publications. As you can see, the Ottawa Citizen is now listed under My Publications because we saved it with a heart. Another way of browsing would be to select our publication type. In this case, let's do newspapers. And let's select our language. And now we can see the front cover of newspapers around the world. But what if I change my mind that I don't want to read a newspaper? Let's click Publications, change it to Magazine. We can select a category such as History and Science. And here we can see magazines in all different languages all around the world. And I can click on a title. I can add a heart. I can look at the latest issues. And lastly, I can go to the home feed, which is also called the news feed. And from here you can see the top stories recommended for you from newspapers around the world. That's pretty cool. All right. Happy reading.